Hey guys, Karan Binani from Mobi Scrub here, and quite excited to unbox and see what's great with the Avengers edition of OnePlus 6. Now it says infinite power in your hands, and that's probably because it is the OnePlus 6 with maximum RAM, that's 8 gigs, and maximum onboard storage of 256 gigs. Love the device, I love the print at the back, and we'll talk more about it in the video. Moving on, you've got your standard USB Type-C cable, dash charging, and a preamble of sorts. I'm not going to read that. Then you've got a golden medallion in the box. Basically, there are if you as a group collect 6 unique golden medallions, you stand a chance to win something. Yeah, that's the contest. Digging deeper, in this case, you've got, you've got the quick start guide as well as the ejection pin. Keeping that aside, now, just like superheroes have uniforms, so does the Avengers phone. The back cover is inspired from the most popular back cover for OnePlus phones, the carbon case, and Iron Man is one of the most popular characters in the entire Avengers series, so there you have it. It does make your phone look a bit chunky, but I guess that's really not the criteria here. It will definitely protect your device very well, and it adds that Iron Man look to your entire device, which looks cool, well, at least to some people. But it does hide the more classy and sophisticated rear panel design. It's quite sturdy, and it's good material. It's just that it's going to make it look a little heavy. Talking about the build and the design of the phone, it's essentially the exact same as the OnePlus 6 except for some design enhancements. The rear panel is still glass, except it has a pretty nice print that I feel adds a lot of energy and style on the phone. Even the way light bounces off its surface and flows on it, it looks quite attractive. Now I've had different kinds of reaction to this rear panel design. Some hate it and some like it. I tend to like it, and I think it's quite nice. The silver OnePlus logo and the Avenger logo also adds an extra effect to the entire thing. The only thing in the outside is the golden accent alert slider that's actually inspired from Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet. But it looks really nice again, and it's quite a standout from the rest. And that's the thing that really makes it look exclusive and different from the other OnePlus devices, including the rear panel print. Turning the device on, you still get Android 8.1.0 and you're welcome with this really nice, classy Avengers Infinity wallpaper on the phone. Now, as soon as you turn it on, you get a system update, which I highly recommend you do as soon as you get it. There are quite a few security upgrades as well as camera feature updates, so just go for it. From a personalization standpoint, you do get this really nice clock, a great wallpaper in the background, and some additional wallpapers which are exclusive to, this device, the Infinity War Edition, and they're exclusively made for the OnePlus 6. You also get an exclusive theme which has a grey base background and a really nice yellow as the accent color. You can obviously still change that and make it anything you like, but I think this is what really again differentiates this edition from the other phones. From a specification standpoint, it's exactly the same as the 8 gig OnePlus 6 except for the onboard storage where you get 256 gigs instead of the 128 gig. So should you buy this? Purely if you're either a huge fan of Avengers and wanted a phone that looks like it came out of the movie, then maybe yes. Or if the 256 gigabytes of onboard storage really matters, then sure. Otherwise, just go for the 8 gigabyte RAM model and that would do just fine. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.